Umantri rangba bandrap ka sarkar jilla ba Preston Tinsong habai krebikla pathai khubor ula pante ba ka sarkar jilla Kalabatha yu project director jaka National Highway Authority of India ban pinbe ye kijing bakla ki bami ha ka toll gate ha umling Riboy district ban pinti kana ba onam dan sho ka jing pindik yanu ru ha ki toll gate ki badan ha po ka jilla ula panchai bi ki toll gate ki de ka jing ka khle jong NHAI om jaka sarkar jilla.
Government is concerned, we have nothing to do with that. Because you knew well, this road has been taken over by Nahan. Wherever National Highway is there, means it is the lookout of the National Highway Authority of India.
Kajing shim be ka bai toll gate ka dekat kum ki dor balabo kajing kulmar ka bami menakani halor kajing siu kala bande ni ki kor ki bor ki barang shu sedang pentrai kam.
If you pay 160, 170 or 180, do you know how much the cost of the construction of road? 600, 700 crores. And if you feel paying that amount, because that again, you charge it from the carriage, ultimately, because these commercial, all are commercial vehicles. So why should they complain? That's what I'm telling you, because this rate has been fixed nationally by the government of India. That's why we were able to get good road. That's why I'm telling you, we need to understand that commercial vehicle, please don't complain, pay. But I think right now the problem is just because of the machine that they installed, it seems they have some kind of problem here and there. So that, as I said to you, we have already instructed the project director, of this Nahai to look into it and then make sure things will go smoothly in every toll gate that they have.
Ulai thuru balas dang ka fast tag system bar ki kendon ki shai ba biki kali ki de ban register bar ka fast tag balada kim par register kimla ban ya ling ba.
In the toll gate, they have to stop, give your fast tag or you pay. So because some of them, they have not registered themselves. But of course, the guidelines is very clear. The order from the ministry is very clear that you have to have your fast tag. Correct. And then without that, you will not be able to allow to pass through the toll gate.